Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be an eyebrow tutorial. I have very sparse eyebrows. They are very sparse and very light, so therefore it almost seems as if I don't have any eyebrows. My right eyebrow is more full than my left one, which is why I try to make them look as similar as possible. So yeah, I hope this video is helpful for you guys. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also like this video, and yeah, let's get started. So as you can see, these eyebrows are very different. Of course, eyebrows aren't meant to be sisters, not twins. I think that's how you say it. And I basically like to start off with my eyebrows with my Anastasia Beverly Hills brow pomade in dark brown. The reason why I use a pomade instead of a powder or a pencil is because the pigmentation and the formula of a pomade gives me more control, and I also feel like it makes my eyebrows look a little more dark as opposed to very dim and dull. So I really like my eyebrow to stand out and actually look like an eyebrow. So I also like to use a very thin pencil for this, or brush I mean. I like to do this because I feel like I have more control with the strokes that I am making on my eyebrows. And as you can see here, I'm just doing some eyebrow gel on my hair. I'm applying some to my eyebrow to just make my eyebrows stay in place. And then I also am going to be underlining my eyebrow. I actually have to fake the beginning of my eyebrow. You know, I kind of just have full control of how thick I want my eyebrow. So I try to make it look as even as possible. And I also kind of overlined my eyebrow to go for more of the thick look, because you know that's kind of what I like the most. So, and then I kind of basically line my eyebrow and then I start filling it in with very soft strokes. When you're picking up product by product, or you know, a little bit by little bit, you are able to build up your brow to what you basically want to achieve. And then I also just kind of leave the beginning of my eyebrow with nothing. That is what kind of helps me get that very natural eyebrow look, even though I know it is nothing close to natural, but you know, we try to make it look a little natural. So I'm just kind of making some little fake hairs, you know, to try to make it look natural. And then here we are just putting a little more gel, you know, to kind of let the hair stand out and blend out the product so it doesn't look so harsh and not so fake, even though we know it's not a real eyebrow. And then I'm just going to clean it up with some concealer. This basically just helps you correct any mistakes you made, and also just gives it a little more pop and brightens up the brow bone and kind of lifts your eyebrow up. So as you can see, the major difference between these two eyebrows, yeah. So here I'm just also applying some gel to my other eyebrow and then just kind of locking it in place. And as the same thing as the other side, I'm just going to fake it. I'm going to underline it to, you know, how basically kind of using my right eyebrow as my guide. I also am going to be making it a little more thick so it could kind of be the same as my other eyebrow. And then, you know, just filling it in with some very light and quick strokes, I feel is what helps me the most to get the eyebrow to the way I want it. And then also I just go ahead and clean it just in case I made any mistakes and make the eyebrow look more crisp. And then I also like to comb my hairs, you know, just to make them look very much in place, and also distribute and blend the product and just not make it look harsh. So basically that is it. That is all I do for these very sparse eyebrows. I hope you guys really like this video, and yeah, thank you so much for watching, and until next time, bye.